Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ahrefs Webmaster Tools verification step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Ahrefs Webmaster Tools website. Click on the Start Free button to create an account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, you will see an option to add your website. Enter your website's URL and click Add Property. Choose your preferred verification method from the available options. You can select either the HTML tag method or the DNS record method. For the HTML tag method, copy the provided verification code. Now, go to your website's content management system. Access the header section of your website. Paste the verification code within the head section of your site. After saving the changes, return to the Ahrefs Webmaster Tools page. Click on the Verify button to complete the process. If you opted for the DNS record method, copy the TXT record provided. Log in to your domain registrar's website. Access the DNS management area. Add a new TXT record and paste the copied verification code. Save the changes in your DNS settings. It may take some time for changes to propagate. After waiting, return to Ahrefs Webmaster Tools and click Verify. Once verified, you will have access to various SEO tools. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Ahrefs Webmaster Tools verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.